Hello, we're Dominion from Danville, West Virginia, and we're going to do an old-timey song for you, When the Trumpet Sounds.
Many times down here in this world below, we're faced with heartache, pain, grief, and woe. There's coming a time in the by and by we'll meet our Savior in the eastern skies.
When the trumpet sounds,
When the trumpet sounds, I'm going home. Never more in this cruel world will I have to roam.
will I have to roam? I'll wear a white robe and a shining crown.
And a shining crown. On the golden streets I'll walk around. I'll walk around. Oh, sweet redemption is drawing nigh. Soon the pearly gates will be open wide. I'll see King Jesus upon his throne. What a wonderful time when I get home.
When the trumpet sounds,
When the trumpet sounds,
I'll be going home.
I'll be going home. Never more in this cruel world will I have to roam.
will I have to roam? I'll wear a white robe and a shining crown.
And a shining crown. On the golden streets I'll walk around. I'll walk around.
When the trumpet sounds,
When the trumpet sounds, I'm going home. Never more in this cruel world will I have to roam.
will I have to roam? I'll wear a white robe and a shining crown.
And a shining crown. On the golden streets I'll walk around.